really cool.
Have a look, guys. It looks like this. Just lang talaga yung mga gamit ba nagkasya dito.
Mommy, that's only the people's is.
The people's is? Tarungan mo English na.
See? No people one.
Yeah.
Afterwards, man.
Do you wanna go outside?
Yes!
Yeah, I told the driver, look, you know what?
There's wak-wak outside.
It's a bit.
Wak-wak.
It's a big house.
What's wak-wak? What's wak-wak-wak?
Balbal. There's balbal.
I wanna go outside.
There's wak-wak lagi. Alam na, wak-wak.
Yeah, that's right.
Do you know what wak-wak is?
I mean, if you jump
No.
in the city, bloody.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. Nandito kami ngayon sa Storage King kasi finally dumating na rin yung ating mga gamit from Melbourne. And nandito kami sa loob ng kanilang office guys kasi sobrang init sa labas. Ayaw kong ilabas ang ating mga bulilit. Ayan si Nak, say hi na.
Hi.
Hi! And ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping. Ayan. So, si Daddy Mike lang yung nandoon, tsaka yung mga tao na magbubuhat ng mga boxes and everything doon sa ating unit. So, yeah. Super glad. Nangyari na rin, guys. At least, nandito na yung mga kagamitan natin. And, yung hinihintay na lang natin ngayon ay yung ating sasakyan na until ngayon ay wala pa ring update kung nasaan. Well, alam natin, it's still in Melbourne. So, hindi pa nag-move papuntang Brisbane. So, we caught an Uber from Kangaroo Point, kung saan kami stay ngayon, hanggang dito sa Acacia Ridge. Kasi nandito yung aming nandito yung storage na nirentahan namin. And, it cost around $35 yung Uber. And, yeah, can you imagine? Like, back and forth. Kung magkano na. Tapos from here, mamaya pupunta pala kami dito sa sa family ko dito kasi sa Acacia Ridge nakatira yung family ko dito sa Brisbane. Kaya nga pinili ko tong lugar na to kasi para malapit sa kanila. Yes, anak?
What's this for?
This bag, I purchased it from here, Storage King.
What's that for?
Kasi pag may kailangan ako doon sa sa mga boxes natin, dito ko ilalagay para madala namin pa uwi doon sa aming bahay sa Airbnb. Yung storage dito guys per month, and yung binabayaran namin is $210 per month yung yung pag-store dito. However, I think only this month kasi we have a place now. And I think kakasya naman lahat ng yung mga gamit natin dito doon sa bagong bahay natin. So, we only need this place for 1 month. Which is good kasi, diba, it adds up kasi guys, yung mga expenses sobrang mahal. And then, we have to, tingnan nyo. We have to buy this padlock. Kasi walang, kailangan pala. Ganito pala yun guys, oh. Yung mga ganyan ba, parang mga garage. Ayan, kailangan mo ng padlock. Bumili ako ng tape and then cutter. Kasi nga may mga mga bagay-bagay akong kukunin from the boxes. Ilalagay ko dito para madala natin pa uwi. Nak, ito pala siya, natulog na to siya sa guys, sa Uber kanina. Did you fall asleep in the car? Are you okay now? Are you still sleepy?
No.
Not anymore? Okay. You know you're so beautiful.
Yeah, because of my chick. I put makeup.
Did you put makeup on? No, you didn't.
No, I used a little brush.
Oh, did you use the little brush?
Yeah, like the one you used before.
Oh, so you used what Mama used?
Yeah. I was doing the thing.
Oh.
And now...
You're so beautiful. You know you're very sweet. Kanina guys, nandun kami sa sasakyan. Sabi niya sa akin, Mommy. And I said, yes, Mommy.
Last time I went to the...
Sabi niya, did you say I love you to Mommy? Sabi niya, out of nowhere guys, sabi niya, I love you. Oh, you're so sweet, my love.
And last time I went to the nail...
Oh yeah, that's right.
Shop, and I painted my nails.
They painted your nails, yeah?
Yeah, but I went to the pool, and that was good.
I know. Sabi niya, she went to the pool and now it's gone. Yeah, it's not there anymore. See, Mommy's still there. Yeah?
I don't want my telephone.
Yeah, now we have to get another one.
I think
We have to get like a nail polish.
nail polish.
That's right.
Mommy,
Ating baby girl ay nakatulog.
Mommy.
Buti na lang pwede kami magstay dito guys kasi alam niyo it's scorching hot outside. Grabe. Ang init ay kinakain yung yung skin. Siya nilak lang ni Kuya. Nilak yan. Pero pwede naman kaming labas kung gusto namin lumabas dyan. So here they sell boxes as well. Ganito. Oh, diba? Business din. Kasi normally talaga yung mga tao nakakalimutan yung mga ganito, maliit na bagay. So they sell it here. Storage saver, box types, and everything.
And what's that for?
Nagising na. Ay, Minak, she wants to hold your hand na. She wants to hold your hand. See? See? Tingnan niyo yung pinasuot ko sa kanya,
They
guys.
don't keep the key.
Backless din siya, ha?
They don't keep
Kasi
the key.
she
They
sweats.
don't, otherwise the option
Yes.
is to cut
You
off
love the camera? Like your Ate Paris? You love your camera, no? Yeah, I know. This one loves her camera too.
No, they don't keep that because of the
Tagal pa
privacy.
nila matapos. Eh,
Ilang private ko lang kasi po bilang ang privacy wala ang ani kasi very
Siling. Siling,
That's why they
siling.
don't respect me.
Yeah.
So it's
Hello,
Hello,
mommy. Hello, baby girl.
Ilang yung pagilan keeping spare because of the privacy.
I love you.
Kabalik na si Daddy Mike, guys. Oh my God, tingnan nyo. Basang-basa ang likod niya. Siya daw yung hakot para madali daw yung pagkatapos. Basang-basa siya ng pawis ba? Pero ang ating Ate Paris, ay meron ng scooter. No? Did you say hi to your scooter na? Hi to your scooter, mama. So, ayun. Nakaalis na yung truck, guys. Daddy Mike is drinking water there. And then, dadalhin namin yung padlock doon. Punta kami doon sa unit. Come on, my love. Hi. You can play here, nak. We'll go outside. Halas, wala kaming dalang extra shirt ni Daddy Mike. Tingnan niyo.
I'm gonna see Tito.
Tingnan, kita niyo ba kung gaano kabasa yung likod niya?
Mommy, I'm gonna see Anthony.
Tito Anthony?
Thanks.
Yeah, we will. We will go back to the garage first. Okay? We'll lock it. We'll grab some stuff. Okay?
A few moments later.
In a container? In a truck, you mean?
In the storage unit.
Yeah. So, dun daw sa taas, guys. Paano na lang? So they have lift, Bob. Did you use the lift?
What? Lift upstairs.
Yeah, I didn't know it's going to be upstairs. Oh, it's a pain. Taking stuff in and out. Okay. Alright. Lift. Sobrang init daw dito, guys. You just stay here, Bob, with Celine. Here, in the shade. Ganito pala dito sa loob, guys.
Cool.
Have a look, guys. It looks like this. Just lang talaga yung mga gamit ba nagkasya dito.
Mommy, that's only the people's is.
The people's is? Tarungan mo English na.
See?
Hmm?
No people one.
Yeah. Holy cow. Paano na to ngayon? Asan ba ang kailangan kong ilabas?
Mommy, there's daddy's. There.
Ganito lang pala yung space talaga niya, guys.
Mommy.
Is it cool? No, it's very hot in here. You wanna go down to Daddy? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Yeah, right? Okay, I'm just gonna grab something. Andito naman sa mga boxes na to. Pinangalanan ko naman yung mga box nila niyo. Kids clothes. Oh, diba?
What do you say, Mommy?
Kitchen, bathroom. Oh, nakauna pa tong kitchen and bathroom. My goodness.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami, guys. Bahay ng aking tito. Malapit lang kasi dito. Okay. Knock on the door. See if someone's home. Katrabaho kasi daw yung tito ko, guys. Yung anak ko niya yung nandito. Knock, knock. Hey, knock, knock. Say, ayo.
Ayo.
Louder.
Ayo.
Say, ayo.
Ayo.
Wala tao. Say, ayo.
Ayo. I'm tired.
Ayo. I thought you're not home, Joy.
No, ulit pati.
Ano, ulit ka?
Ayo.
Ano? Ayo.
I'm baby.
Here you go, my love. Here you go. Here you go. Good job. What's this? Bless to tatay. Bless.
Bless.
Come on. The hand. Like that. No, you give him like this.
Kuya.
Oh, kuya.
You know, Kuya AJ have something for you.
Come like this na ka? Like this na ka? You forgot already, not like this.
Oh, like
this,
that. Like that.
Okay, go, go,
Oh.
go. How are you, pa?
Yes. Okay ra.
Uy.
Hi, Paris.
This is in there.
Kuya AJ has something for you.
Wow.
Hey, Kuya Mike, how are you?
Hey, Paris.
Uy, na. Kuya's got something for you. Go.
You know how I said I'm gonna get you ice cream?
Wow, lucky girl. It's just Garty. Go, go. Huh? That's okay. Nag-chill-chill lang sa ta. Ito.
Uy.
Na, satay na.
Hello.
Ang tagyata na yung gilinkuran.
How are you? Good. How are you? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna cook a vlog. I'm gonna cook now.
Hey, Kuya Mike, how are you?
Oh.
Tayo na. Di pinggara.
Kani. Hindi niya si CJ, don't cheat. Lo. Wala, maayo kayo.
Mata na?
I get a shot. Hello. You look. I can see you, Nak. Oh, here. You're picking. Hello, Chili. 8 o'clock na ng gabi, guys. Nandito pa rin kami. Can you hear Daddy Mike and Tatay Edgar still talking in the background? Yes, my love. Hey, Josh. Ngayon ba ito siya nagising? Nagising siya sa kanyang bedtime. Nak, no. Your bedtime is 7 o'clock. Can you choose from? Ito siya. Sobrang ano. Sweat. Naglalaro sila ng ano, ng Kuya EJ at Kuya Prince niya. Hello, my beautiful princess.
The only problem now because I don't mind if I buy a house. Afterwards, man.
Do you wanna go outside?
Yes.
Yeah, I told the driver, look, you know what?
There's wak-wak outside. Wak-wak.
It's a big house.
What's quack quack?
I don't want to be here every day, man.
What's quack quack quack?
Balbal. There's balbal.
I wanna go outside.
There's wak-wak lagi. Hello na, wak-wak.
Yeah, that's right.
Do you know what wak-wak is?
I mean, if you jump
No.
in the city, bloody, I know that. Hopefully,
Si Hi Prince sa akong vlog.
oh,
Hi
maybe,
Hi vlog. Here's the handsome titos. Ay, handsome kuya, radi ay kuya. I know titos actually. No, they are cause we're cousins, Jay. So tito ka ni Paris. Tito mo ni Paris. That's EJ and Prince. Oh, di ba?
It's Uncle EJ.
Tito, uy. Sosyalan ba? tatay na lang. Hindi mo nakikita dahil tatay man.
Good thing that government opened is that.
Happy si Paris may kalaro Very spoiled yan si Paris pag nandito kami. Daghan ng pangga. This one too? This one too? Tingking. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang napi na napasuot ko ay yung napi ng ating kasya. Na? Isa lang pala yung nadala naming napi ay nakaudo. Hindi naman siya tingnan nyo. Laki kasi ng paa nito buyag-buyag. Buyag-buyag. Ang buyag-buyag. Time check tayo guys. It's 10 ng gabi. Kakauwi lang namin. Hinatid kami dito ng mga pinsan ko. Ito siya. Kailangan ng buhatin ng pinsan ko guys kasi nakatulog na sa sasakyan. And this one, she was sleeping in the car. But then she woke up and I got here. Yes? And she was trying to pull Ate Paris's hair. You trying to pull Ate Paris's hair? We have to change your clothes for bed. I get that. How was your day, Anna? How was your day, princess? Tulog na. Nga nga, bes.